Hey, hi everyone. I'm Russell, the co-creator of SAGA, and we build AI tools for filmmakers. Meet Tig, who works in the film industry as a stunt coordinator, but dreams of becoming a Hollywood producer and needs to make their own films first to get discovered. Tig is new to screenwriting, but easily gets started typing Shadow Protocol as the title, with a log line about a retired army operative, and then clicking Generate to get ideas for a compelling theme about personal redemption. Tig enters basic details about the characters, like the hero John Mercer, but needs help selecting from archetypes, like the rebel, to make John multidimensional and relatable. When it's time to plan out the story structure, Tig types in Act 1 and maybe how Act 3 ends, but gets stuck trying to connect them in Act 2, clicking Generate for the perfect ideas. Finally, Tig is ready to start screenwriting, and Saga has a full script editor with the styles and hotkeys screenwriters are used to. When Tig gets notes from their agent recommending a scene to be 30 seconds longer and more dramatic, Saga effectively helps them rewrite at the click of a button. And yes, if writer's block hits and Tig needs a first draft for the next line or scene, Saga is there to help. It knows all the plots, characters, and acts, helping come up with the perfect dialogue. But that's not all. Saga is also a full storyboarding application, letting Tig select from common shot types with simple teaching guides since they're new to cinematography. Saga knows what all the characters like Raven look like, so Tig doesn't need to learn prompt engineering and can easily describe what they're looking for. We've even started adding animation features next, letting Tig pre-visualize each scene. So in just a few days, Tig can make their idea a reality with a full screenplay and storyboards ready to shoot. This is something that can take years and tens of thousands of dollars hiring experts to help. We relaunched in the fall, growing 35% a month in revenue since then, with 45% of users converting to paid from our free trial. We're hearing great feedback from major producers of Breaking Bad and American Psycho, who tell us how amazing and impressive Saga is for story development, with nearly 80,000 YouTube subscribers and millions watching our demos. We charge $20 a month in the US and are looking at adding premium and enterprise plans later this year. Now, there's a wide landscape of generative AI tools, many of which generate text, images, or video, but we'll win because our app is tailor-made for filmmakers, delivering the highest quality story and video outputs using the best AI models available. We're going to market with a beachhead strategy, targeting consumers first, generating text and images, working on video generation next. We also plan to add more templates for television and advertising production with more languages for film markets around the world. We'll get to 100 million in ARR by capturing nearly 500,000 of the creatives in film, gaming, and the creator economy. And our team is perfect for this, with a Hollywood filmmaker and an AI product manager. And we're brothers. We've been making movies together for over 30 years. So I'm Russell, the co-creative Saga. We build AI tools for filmmakers. Thank you.
All right, Russell, nice job. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Ian,
Uh,
next.
do you see yourself kind of charging per person or filmmaker or whatever else kind of into perpetuity, or how do you think about extracting value for this type of product?
Great.
Yep.
And John, go ahead with your question, please. Oh, you're on mute, John. There you go.
Yeah, I was going to ask it just based on your demo and your description, it seems like most of what you're building is on top of other models or on top of open source. So if you play this out 3 or 4 years, what's your thought process around commoditization and holding your market position?
Yeah,
Right.
great question. So first, Gyan, we do charge per person, but we are definitely looking at adding a premium plan once we get video generation, and that's when we'll need an enterprise plan. So we've talked to studios like NBC Universal, the Russo brothers, Agbo Studio, Disney Pixar, and they are excited about an enterprise plan. So maybe 15,000 or 50,000, maybe give them 50 or 500 seats. And that's how we plan to move up from just individual consumers paying with their credit card all the way up to enterprise. And then, John, thanks for your question. Yeah, definitely. We bootstrapped. We used APIs. We were one of the first on GPT 3.5. We've integrated every model they have. We present our users options. So when you ask for a movie title or a screenshot, a close-up of one of your actors, we actually give options for multiple different options. So Stable Diffusion XL, SD3, Dolly 3. We're going to integrate video soon with Sora and hopefully Runway's Gen 3 Alpha, which just came out, and Dream Studio. And so we think it's actually beneficial to our users. They don't have to go patch together from all these different systems they're testing. They can get it all in one place for one low price. And they don't have to be prompt engineers. Our users are in Hollywood. They don't want to get on Discord to learn Midjourney /commands. But the final piece, probably what you're most interested in, is yes, we do have the skills. I've been working in AI as a product manager for 10 years. I built my own models. Andrew and I, my co-founder, were both computer engineers. So we have already started building models. For example, a script coverage model that no one else has to help build out our moat. But we probably won't build ones like video generation because that costs billions of dollars.